Hey guys, how's everything going? Today I'm gonna make a really delicious lunch or a snack. We all love fries, we all love cheese, and let's make some homemade cheese fries. Let's get it started right now. So first things first, we need really nice Yukon Gold potatoes, or if you don't find that around, some russet potatoes. This is what I'm using today. It's really long, big, firm flesh. It's gonna give you some really nice fries. So let's go ahead and prepare our fries. So I'm making these oven baked today. So first I'm gonna cut the ends off, cut a little bit from the bottom so that we have a stable potato, and then start cutting. About 1/4 inch thick. And after you've cut that into slabs, cut them into fries, about the same thickness. You'll get these really nice shoestring fries. Now just put all your fries into a bowl with cold water and soak for about 25 minutes. This will really help get the excess starch out of your potatoes and really help them to be really crispy when they're baking in the oven. So after your fries have soaked for about 25 minutes, put them between 2 layers of paper towel and make sure that you get all the excess moisture out of the potatoes. After you're done drying all the rest of your potatoes, transfer them to a bowl, and then we'll start to season them. So to season them, add some olive oil, followed by some salt. We'll season them again towards the end after we taste them. Freshly ground black pepper. Now you can stop here, but I like my fries spicy. I'm gonna go with my homemade Cajun seasoning. So I'm gonna get a load of that onto my fries, and then we will toss this mixture until all our fries are coated well with the oil and our seasoning. So now start laying down your fries on your baking sheet lined with a parchment paper and spray it with some spray oil, or you can spread some olive oil on it. So you wanna make sure that none of the fries touch each other, otherwise it won't result in even cooking. So my fries are all ready. My oven has been heating at 425. So put your fries in the oven and cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes. So it's been about 25 to 30 minutes. And let's start flipping our potatoes. As you can see, some really nice crispy texture. We want to get the same thing on the other side. So let's flip all of these and we'll pop it back into the oven for this time for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until we get the crispiness. So heat a pan on medium heat, and I'm gonna add in about a tablespoon of onions, finely chopped, and saute it until it gets nice and soft. Now after your onions have become soft, add in your heavy cream along with your garlic. Give it a nice mix, and once your creamy mixture is hot, you want to turn the heat down to really low and just throw in your fresh herbs. We're just scenting the sauce. We're going to strain it after. That's going to keep all those delicious flavors in the sauce. Give it a mix and turn off the heat. So in the meanwhile, transfer all of your cheese in a large enough bowl and put a sieve on it. Next, we'll strain the sauce into our bowl. Using a wooden spoon, really get all those delicious flavors into our cheese mix. I don't want to lose any of those flavors. Now with a whisk, mix all of this until your cheese gets completely melted. Depending on the type of cheese you're using, you may need to use a double boiler to help melt your cheese, which is basically a container with some water that's boiling, and you put the vessel which you want to warm on top of the boiling water. It's an indirect way of heating, and it helps make sure that things don't burn. Well, that's getting a little cheesy up in here. We're almost there. So this looks like it's ready. Now let's start pouring this onto our fries. So there you have it, guys. Some cheesy, creamy sauce with some delicious, crispy and soft oven baked fries. I would love to know in the comments down below if you would like to see more recipes like this, and if you ended up trying this recipe, how was it for you? Hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any new great content from my channel. Until then, I'll see you guys again on the next one.